Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I'm taking this trade right now. It's been a while, I'm in the market and finally found a huge gap up and it's combined with common point of rejection. My entry is on exactly under common point of rejection. Let's see how this trade is going to play out. We also have this previous support area has been strong and it's broken here, so we can have some entries above. It seems that this trade is about to be a losing trade, unfortunately. I think the reason behind is that we have this triple bottom, and yeah, we didn't see. I think I should have paid attention if this is creating lower low or not. We can clearly see the weakness of sellers here. I think that's the main reason we lost this, but no problem. We have this order block up here. I will try to go to lower time frame and find the entry inside the order block. I don't see that. Let's go. All right, we have an entry right here. I'm taking this trade. And also we have another entry up there. So we have good entries on this chart. Let's go. Yeah. I'll tell you a very important point about these two trades. Okay, so this trade was a winning trade and this one was a losing trade. Now, which one was the proper entry? Which one was the proper entry? Obviously this one, right? I'm not saying that this wasn't proper entry because I lost it. Now, what I'm trying to say is if you have a decision point like this, right? Support area, respected support, at least 3 or 4 touches, okay? Respected support, and you see it's broken now strongly, you'll probably will have something like this, before this breakout. And if you mark this area, and go to lower time frame, you will see a lot of fresh zones. Okay, for example, we have this fresh zone and this fresh zone, which this one reacted very small, but this one reacted properly. Now, which one should we consider taking? When you have this kind of situation that you have 2 or 3 entries, I would personally consider the one above the above the support area, which is broken. Okay, this is a broken support and this is above. This trade is above. And if I was taking here, it was a losing trade. Sometimes we may win that just because that's a fresh supply, but in most cases we will lose that and this right here will work. Okay? You have to make sure that that's fresh. Now, if you want to take this, you need to take it very small. But your main entry, you can have your proper trading amount. Okay, now I'm going to go forward and try to find another opportunity. We have this morning star, we have this overlapping level, we have this uptrend, so I probably want to take the next trade. I really would, okay, I'm taking it. If it comes down, I will probably add. This is you see, we have different kinds of trends to upside. Some of them are clean movements like this. Clean movements. Some of them are like this, which are kind of messy, just like the one we have here. This is kind of a ranging market, but it has a little bit of trend. These type of markets are best for doji breaks setups and having red green patterns and trading patterns after retracement. They have trusting gap downs, breaking overlapping levels, or supporting levels like overlaps like this. These are best markets to do that. For example, look at this one. We have a third touch breakout, right? Third touch breakout, and we know that we are in a ranging market, so we are more confident taking this trade. Okay, the way market moves is very, very important, and you have to take your setups accordingly. Now, look at this. Do you remember the first trade we took? Now, this is exactly the opposite. Resistance, 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 and then the decision point exactly right here. Now, if I go to lower time frame, somewhere here, one of these rejections will be our entry. It's going to be either here or this one. Okay. Now, that was a winning trade. Now, we'll keep moving forward. I always say that trading is very risky, and sometimes people go crazy with trading and they feel like it's guaranteed money, but in most cases they lose money. You have to remember that 90% of traders are losing traders, okay? And that's how trading is. Doesn't matter if that's binary option, if that's Forex, if that's stocks. 90% of people are losers. You can Google that, and that's crazy. Now, we have this doji break, but we don't have proper ranging market to take this. I would probably uh, ignore this trade or take it very small. Okay, I'm taking it very small. So if I lose this, it's not going to affect my psychology. It's not going to affect my profit. And I'll be fine, okay? If you have a risky trade like this, you have momentum downtrend, not proper ranging market for doji, you can take it very, very small. Maybe 10% of your regular amount. And in that case, if you win, you win. And if you lose, nothing changes. Okay? I'll keep looking. Let's go back to... Yeah, this is going to be a losing trade for sure. I'll keep looking. Look at this one. I want to check and see what we have right inside of it. Okay, look at this. This is beautiful. Right? This is literally a QM. See that? QM in a very low time frame. This is the QM pattern, right? QM zone. And now I want to show you something very nice. Go to 1 minute. And look, we have this support area broken, which is previously, it's kind of a strong one. And it's broken on this candle. So we have this supply causing the breakout. And also we have a doji break here. We have this doji and this candle is breaking the doji, right? So this entry would be very nice. It would be a very good combination. We have 1 minute engulfing candle as a higher time frame confirmation for QM. We have QM in lower time frame. It's also a supply causing a breakout of this strong support. Okay, this is called a very beautiful setup. If I was seeing this, I would take it. Okay. All right, we have a nice little market sequence right here. We have this QM, and if we close this as a green candle, I probably would take it. Yes, I will take it. Okay, I'm taking it. Let's go. My entry is very good on this one. This is also the QM zone. Let me check the lower time frame for this. Oh, this would be nice. Let me just take one more, man. This is a very nice entry for this QM. And if you look, we have this little market sequence of having consecutive 2 green candles in the past 15 to 20 candles. So I'm expecting a red one. Plus we have lower time frame entry, and this is a QM. See, this is a QM zone, and the lower time frame. Okay, this is a QM zone. That was winning trade. This is a QM zone, and if I go to lower time frame, you'll see the fresh supply up here. Let me just do this. Fresh supply up here. I'll make this red, and I'll see how beautiful this is. Market sequence, and then we already expect a red one, and then market comes up and we enter here as a best possible entry. That was nice. All right, I'm going to stop here. We did a good progress today, and I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you join the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, and peace out.